Hello everyone, and welcome to our video about the Midjourney AI website. Midjourney AI is an exciting platform that offers a range of AI-powered tools and services for businesses and individuals alike. In this video, we will take a closer look at what Midjourney AI has to offer and how it can benefit you. As you can see, the Midjourney AI website is clean, sleek, and easy to navigate. The homepage offers a brief overview of the platform's main features, including AI-powered chatbots, analytics, and automation tools. Let's take a closer look at each of these features. First up is the AI chatbot. Midjourney AI offers a range of customizable chatbots that can help businesses automate their customer service and sales processes. These chatbots are powered by natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, which means they can understand and respond to customer inquiries in a human-like way. This can save businesses time and money while improving customer satisfaction. Next up is the analytics page. Midjourney AI's analytics tools provide businesses with insights into their customer behavior and preferences. These tools can help businesses improve their marketing strategies and make data-driven decisions. The platform also offers predictive analytics, which can help businesses forecast future trends and make proactive decisions. Finally, we have the automation page. Midjourney AI's automation tools can help businesses streamline their workflows and save time. These tools can automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry and report generation, allowing businesses to focus on more important tasks. The platform also offers process automation, which can help businesses optimize their business processes and reduce costs. Overall, Midjourney AI is an impressive platform that offers a range of AI-powered tools and services. Whether you're a business looking to improve your customer service, marketing, or operations, or an individual looking to automate your daily tasks, Midjourney AI has something for you. So, why not visit their website today and see how Midjourney AI can benefit you? Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.